Alright, so we are at Pepito's Supermarket, or Pepito's Restaurant. And this is the original First Pepito's Supermarket, this one. But they've got a cafe attached and it's really good food in here. They've got all sorts of good food now. This is the original Pepito's. You've all heard of Pepito's and popular supermarkets. And this is the first one that was ever built. And from then, they're like a franchise or something. They're just everywhere you go. And you see that at the moment they're doing all the Christmas decorations for Christmas coming up on the windows. And anyway, we'll go into the restaurant, we'll get some food. I'll show you Pepito Caafe because it's really good food in there. Yeah. We'll have a quick look through the Pepito Supermarket. It's got a lot of, it's probably the first one around, nearly apart from Gullell, that had the international and imported foods and stuff is Pepito's. Oh, big. Hello, how are you?
That's good.
So the cafe's open? Yeah?
Yes.
Right, so this is the original first Pepito's ever built. This is probably one of the biggest ones too. And it's a typical supermarket, but it's got a lot of imported stuff. So you've got all souvenirs over there, coffees and things like that. Very good selection of fruit, vegetables. They've got an awesome deli here. Now you can buy packs like takeaway lunch packs and sandwiches and salads. These here, you can buy all the salad and you can just buy it and they weigh it and charge it by the weight. They get everything from potato salads and pasta salads and you name it. And we often buy this at different Pepitos around the place. See, they've got all different types of sandwiches, lunch packs. It's all fresh and made. Oh, look at this. They've got some pies. Mushroom pies, steak and gravy pies, beef and onion pies, and black pepper pies. Oh, I wonder who makes them. Lasagnas. You've got all the types of fresh meats you can think of, like all different types of chicken, pork ribs, sausages. These would be all the Sven's Choice sausages for sure. Pork belly, look at that. You also got everything you think of if you want to buy anything like frozen drinks, beer, alcohol, all your different types of milks, butters, yogurts, things like that, cheese. We've also got a lot of imported stuff, imported cheeses, brie, chamomile, English cheddar, all different types, mozzarella. Got knick-knack meat in here as well. All right, it's all the Australian beef. Wow, 112,000 per 100 grams, so this would be like a $20 steak. 118,000. So $18 steak, looks good. And they've got chickens, got their own little butcher shop and that out the back here. And what are these?
Fried it.
Chicken katsus, all right, they're ready to fry, crumbed and that, ready to fry, stuff like that. You've got marinated chicken, marinated pieces, fillets. All right. Now this is probably one of the bigger ones. Everything. A lot of imported stuff like olives and jalapeno chilies and different types of noodles like the Korean, Japanese noodles, salsas and things like that, sauces. Now, it's not all imported, but a lot of it is. So you're paying a normal price for it because it's imported, you know what I mean? A lot of the different types of hot salsas and guacamole, just buy everything. This is really good, the blackjack smoked barbecue sauce. Great stuff, eh? Oh, they got Liam Perrins. I like the old Holborn stuff, but they got Liam Perrins, Worcestershire sauce. Basically, everything you think of as a supermarket. Different types of chocolates. You got all your Cadbury's chocolates, Swiss chocolates, different types of granola and mueslis, flavoured milks and chocolate and strawberry milks, things like that. It's just got everything in here. All different types of rice you can think of, from jasmine rice to black rice, brown rice, you know, everything. Red rice. And then we've got Twinings tea, got a lot of imported teas. A lot of Bali coffees. I got Lawak coffee, like $32 for a can of proper Lawak coffee. A lot of it's imported. If you're buying all the imported stuff, well, you're going to get hit with the import costs. So, all right, so that's basically Pepitos, the original first Pepitos. And we'll go and check out the cafe. The cafe was there from when they first built this, probably about 20 years ago or more. And I think a Swiss guy used to own the cafe on the front, and him and Sven and all the Germans used to sit there every day eating bratwurst sausages and stuff like that all day. But he died, and I'm not sure whether he actually originally, or his wife was Indonesian, started Pepitos. I'm not sure if it's a different company or what, because it is a registered PT company, a Balinese company, so maybe the cafe was just separate on the front. But yeah, we'll go and check out breakfast. We're a little bit early, so we might be able to only get breakfast, because I wanted to get one of the big sausage platters, and they've got absolutely amazing sausages. Sven's Choice makes great sausages like bratwurst and chorizo, all different types of sausages. Got a lot of cakes and judjan. Right, so we'll go in, we'll check out Pepito Cafe. Now, they've got their own little bakery thing up here in the end, which is good. Pepito's Bakery. Oh, look at the bread, fresh bread. Alright, this looks alright. Lots of donuts, cinnamon rolls and croissants. Cheesecake, yummo. Got some of these apple crumble, cheesecake. Look at that cheesecake, it looks good, yummo. Alright, so you got their special boards, 89,000, half a chicken and chips. Pork knuckles, 300,000 with sauerkraut and that. Goulash and like, I don't know what they are, or like potato cakes or something. And gravy and butter fettuccine. Right, we're going to check it out. Hello. Huh? Alright, so this is Pepito's Cafe or restaurant. It's very nice. I used to come in here all the time with my old mate Eddie before he died, before COVID, and we'd come in once a week. They used to have like a weekly special, and every day have a different special. I'm not sure whether they've still got that. Okay, so they've got their normal menu. They used to have a daily special, and it was a different meal every day, and it was cheap. You got a drink and everything with it, and it was a good deal. So this is, you can have the special menu, you can have it every day. It's got the pork knuckle, the roasted chicken, chicken curry, Thai curry, green curry, pork skewers. They look pretty big, look pretty good. What's this? Leberkasi. What's this? Meatloaf. Oh, it's meatloaf. Meatloaf with sauerkraut, potato salad. That'd be good. The goulash. Goulash is always good. I like goulash soup, but this is actually goulash the meal. Italian meatballs and lamb meatballs. Oh, that looks good. And an Indian butter chicken. So that's the specials menu. It's a pretty big menu there. So you've got like a brunch menu, you know, with sort of like breakfast, you know, 2 eggs with toast and sausages, beef, and you know, ham, fruit platter, juice and tea. 70,000 for like a Pepito's breakfast. It's different things, spring rolls, pancakes, all different things. Lunch and dinner, they've got a lot of Caesar salads, potato salads, goulash soup, minestrone soup, different soups, like pasta, German sausages. They've got a big sausage plate, the small sausage platter, and they've got the jumbo sausage platter as well. And they're good, they're just sort of sorted sausages. And lunch menu, beef steaks. It's about $12 for a steak, which is pretty good. Lumberjack steak, ribeye steak, cordon bleus, Wiener schnitzels, pork chops, meatloaf, chicken, salmon. So they got fish, fillet fish and all that. All right, and then they've got Indonesian food like mee goreng, nasi goreng, things like that. So Yuli's going to get the Indian butter chicken with the biryani rice, and I'm going to get the beef goulash, the Hungarian food. It's really good. Gives a salad and these bread dumplings as well with it. So I got my iced tea to add and no sugar, and Yuli got a a pot of chamomile tea. It's a big pot, isn't it? It's probably... Alright, so this is my goulash, Hungarian goulash, and bread dumplings and a salad.
Butter chicken.
So Yuli got butter chicken and I think maybe like a biryani rice or something.
For the plate for mix. Okay.
It's like an Indian butter chicken and rice. Okay. Okay, we'll try out the goulash. Now these dumplings look interesting. Apparently it's the bread dumpling, so I'll put a bit of the gravy on them. Unusual. I think it's sort of bread with gravy or something in it, and I don't know how they make it or whatever. It tastes good actually. So we'll try out a bit of the goulash. It's definitely got that Hungarian goulash taste. And it's very tender actually. So yeah, not bad at all. Try a bit with the dumpling. Very good actually. The salad is pretty basic. The salad looks like just tomato and lettuce, but we'll check out Yuli, what she's got. Got the butter chicken.
Sweet biryani.
It's like a biryani rice. Tastes good. Like Indian style butter chicken. Give me a little taste. I'll just steal a bit of the butter chicken. Oh yeah, it's got that curry butter chicken flavour. It's very good actually. So as usual, we really couldn't finish, so I just mixed all the rice in with the buttered chicken. And yeah, it's really good actually. It's like the Indian curry flavour, but very mild, you know. Yeah, it's good, very good. Thank you.
Terima kasih.
So they just bring the little machine and we just paid scan pay. So yeah, it was about $25 for that, a big pot of tea, but and yeah, it was pretty good. Thing is, the quality of food is really good, so it's worth checking out. Pepito Caafe.